Penning these lyrics from a hammock with an ounce of kush, a pack of bamboos, and an ice cream sandwich.
You too, what is going on? It's your boy, Fat Man. The voice that makes her moist, Nico Suave from down the block, your favorite fat man on YouTube, aka the best drive-through pranker on the tube. You feel me? Sudden, y'all can already tell what the fuck is about to go down, and by the title, I'm about to get these drive-through pranks going on, man. You already know what I got. I'm gonna be doing that joke loud as fuck. The air horn drive-through prank. Let's hope Big Nick don't get arrested, you know. I'm about to go to the same McDonald's that these two bitches that fucking tried to said they was gonna file a lawsuit against me or whatever for recording them. This was like way back when I did the same drive-through prank or whatever 100 times.
Call the police, like, for real.
Can I just get my food? I already paid for it. Can I just get my refund or something?
Nobody told you to play games. He wanted his refund or whatever. He was No, yeah. Bye.
Okay. I just get my refund then.
Bye.
Can I get my refund?
Alright. Call the police.
Oh my god. They actually found my Instagram and shit and called me and was like, take down a video or we're gonna hurt you or some shit. And I'm like, bruh, what? Shut the fuck up, bruh. I'm not taking down shit. A couple months later, they ain't do shit. They were bluffs. So, hit the subscribe button to your boy Fat and Neat, you know what I'm saying? Like the video. Check out my other videos I got. Got more coming. It's just hard because I don't got no filmer. So I can't really do what I want to do. But if anybody wants to film, I'll pay you. Anybody know anybody that films shit or whatever, hit me up. I'll pay them. Enjoy the video. Yeah, how you doing? I'm about to waste the fuck out your time.
How are you?
I'm doing alright. You guys got the new air horn sandwich in?
Can you say that again?
The big cup sandwich in.
304 New Life Street, Squidward speaking.
It's a big ass line.
Can you say that again?
So you guys got the new air horn sandwich in. Say it again.
No.
A few moments later.
Bruh, I had to take a minute and flame this ugly ass nigga up. He built like a fucking Japanese cockroach like shit. Head built like a ravioli can like shit. About to fry his ass up. He looked like one of them aliens off of Jimmy Neutron like shit. Strong face ass, sharp chin head ass. Motherfucking gonna cut me clean open like shit, boy.
Appreciate it, bro. Oh shit. Bro, go ahead with that goofy shit, bro. Can I have another one? You said what? What's wrong, bro? What?
Oh, that's that guy.
What are you talking about?
He work at the Wichita.
I don't work nowhere.
He work at Panera.
Panera?
He work at Panera. That's that guy that takes everything.
What's wrong with him? You good, bro? Bro, ain't even work. Damn, these don't work. Oh shit. You good, bro?
Come on, where your tag at, bro?
Bitch ass nigga. Bro, it didn't even fucking work. The air horn didn't even work. I dropped my AirPod. It ain't sick, bro. I ain't even do nothing but drop the damn waters, bro. I know y'all heard dude back there, bro. Talking all that shit like I won't beat his ass. Like, what the fuck, boy? Bro, I swear, I don't be trying to get rowdy with people, bro. Cause I know I be doing the pranks and shit, but bro, it's a spill drink. You really gonna act like shit? Act like that towards a fucking customer, bro? Like, what the fuck is your problem, homie? Nigga mad as shit, he working at McDonald's, fucking serving stale fries and shit. But we back in business, baby. We got a new air horn, cause that old one, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with it. It ain't even go off. I was supposed to spill the drink and then blow the fucking air horn, but the shit ain't go off. So I'm about to go head up this Taco Bell and see what they about. Hopefully they don't get mad like old skinny brother over there, fucking bitch ass nigga. Oh, I'll be back.
Okay, what are you trying to say?
Y'all got the air horn taco? I don't, it's something I had in New Mexico. They said they had it here too.
Air horn?
Yeah, the air horn taco.
Do we have an air horn taco?
No, bitch, cause the hell is this?
We don't have that here.
You said you don't?
No.
What the fuck? Can I just get some water then?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Oh shit. The fuck was that?
Come back here, I'm gonna call the police on you. You get out of my drive-thru.
I just wanted some water.
Yeah. But you pull the air horn out again, I'm gonna call the sheriff's office on you.
Right.
I got you recorded right now on camera.
Alright, alright.
Don't come to the back of my store. I don't
Have
come
a
to
good day.
shaking your hand. Don't come back to my store.
I'm just trying to be friendly.
Get out of here.
Alright. Motherfucker.
It was at that moment that Ricky knew he fucked up.
Appreciate it, bro.
All he do is you was on, bro. Bullshitting.
Hey, thank you for being a good sport about it. The other dickheads up the road with some bitches about it.
What they say?
But because it was like,
Yeah.
now one dude, he got all fucking mad. I ain't even blow the joint. I just dropped the drinks on mistake. And he got mad as shit. And I was just like, bro, I'll beat the shit out you. Like, bro, what the fuck?
Nah.
Alright, bro.
I be chilling.
See, keep that same mentality, bro. It's gonna get you far in life.
All right, bro. Stay safe.
You too. Appreciate it, bro. Can I have another straw too? It didn't work. This bitch I overdrew. Fuck! Shit! That last clip of that nigga, bro, he got so fucking scared, bro. I honestly think he thought I had a gun or something, bro, because he quick to fucking throw the joint back, bro. But anyway, hey, if you did enjoy, please like the video and subscribe to your boy Fat Neek. Is more to come. Just wait on that shit. Like the video if you want another one, because I didn't get that many clips. 2 of them were fails, so. And I'm tired. I got a fucking headache. My titties been sweating all day. Man, it's your boy Fat Neek. I'm gone. Peace. Stay finessing. Don't forget.